Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2014 Ford Focus 1.6 TDCi Titanium Navigator, finished in sleek gray with a comfortable cloth interior. From the side, the aerodynamic lines give it a smart, efficient profile. Electric folding mirrors and a practical 5-door layout make it a great all-rounder for city driving and beyond. At the rear, you'll find a simple and tidy finish with stylish rear lights and rear parking sensors to make parking in tight spots effortless. Powered by a 1.6-liter TDCi diesel engine, the Focus offers excellent fuel economy and a smooth, responsive drive. With cruise control and stop-start technology, it's built to make every journey efficient and stress-free. At the front, the Focus delivers a clean, modern look with a bold grille, sharp headlights, and a heated windscreen for clear vision all year round. Inside, the cabin is practical, spacious, and well laid out. Supportive cloth seats and quality materials make it a comfortable space. In terms of technology, this Titanium Navigator comes with built-in navigation, Bluetooth, DIB radio, and an easy-to-use infotainment setup, keeping you connected and in control in cycling. There's ample room for passengers, making it a smart choice for families or shared use. In the boot, you'll find a generous load area for everyday essentials, shopping, or weekend travel, making this hatchback as versatile as it is economical. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161-399-1629. Quote registration YF64UJC to book a test drive or request a personalized video tour.